handbrake cable replacement. So if this one is like this, so what you have to do, you need to feed the cable like this, the both side. It's better to keep a wire in it, and it's not hard, but when you're doing first time it is a little bit painful. And if you come inside here, you lift the seat so you can move the carpet forward. So once you move the carpet forward, you can get access here. You can see here, maybe where they see the gap there, and you can feed the cable to its place here. So wire there, that is I fed for the cable. It's coming here. You need to lift the carpet though. There is no other option. On both sides same. So if you lift the carpet, it's easier. Otherwise you need to struggle.